Okay, now you get my objects in my hands. You don't get my face. So and that's not such a terrible thing. So here we go. What that means is, and Terrence is a boy, and he's gonna take his objects, and here's his 12 straight edges, and Mrs. Boffman made an object with some straight edges with 4 of my crayons. And it says, using all of the toothpicks, create 3 different shapes that he could make. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna stretch these out a little bit and see how many different shapes I can make. So here I used 4, and here I used 5. And so how many do I have left, guys? And I'm hoping you can still see. Okay, it's kind of like using the document camera back at school. I'm hoping I get everything in. So Mrs. Boffman made 3 different shapes using the 12 different objects. And your job is to use your 12 objects and make 3 different shapes. They don't have to be like mine. They can be very different. Okay, stop your camera and go ahead. Stop the camera. Go ahead and do that. Play around with it. After you do 3 different shapes, they've asked you to make other combinations. And what that means is, well, look at this. I bet you can you see what I did? I just took that triangle and I went like this, and that's a different combination. And I might be able to do something like that. And now I only have 2 different shapes, but I have gone ahead and I have used all 12 of my crayons. Can you go ahead and do that? That would be great. And for Redraw Right today, you might want to draw me. Why don't you draw me 3 combinations on your paper? And that would be a great way to show me what you have done today. So have some fun with this. We're going to be learning about different shapes this week in math, so I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead, and I am going to meet you on the math slide, and I'm going to be the teacher for today's math lesson. So I can't wait. See you in a few minutes.